Worst roof ever edition. You guys like it? I'm gonna show you. There's one right next door. I'm not actually on it, so I can't go walking around it, but I just saw some things that are like, wow. Looking at this roof I'm on, this green one here, siding, actually it's got some really brittle, dry caulking, and it was cracked, whoever did the window, and that's where it's coming in at, so I got that caulk for him, but I just happened to look over here, it's like, whoa, my goodness, so I'm gonna pan around, just try to zoom in on a couple areas here, because you guys like the worst roof evers. Maybe you can learn a little bit from it. I have no idea who did it. Again, I'm not here on that particular roof, but there's some things I can point out. It's a little unique. Let's switch the camera around. First off, let's see if I can zoom in here. And look at the chimney there. Can I go at 10x? Oh, there we go, 10x zoom. Look at that. They're relying pretty heavy on some caulking. There's no wall flashing around that chimney. They just ran their panels up and appears to caulk. I wish I could get over there and look at that thing. Boy, the camera pans quickly here. First time ever doing a worst roof ever while I'm not on the roof. A little hangover right there. But actually this right down here, that right there just looks a little funky. There's panels coming up right here. By the way, look at that. Just relying on caulking again. That's an old lead boot. And I'm in a town that is notorious for the fly-by-nighter weekend warriors, because there's permits required, because these homes in this area are like 4, 5, 6, 8. Actually, this is the town where I found a 14-layer roof on. But that's a pretty low slope. Got metal on it. It doesn't appear to have any transition metal in here. I don't see any metal, transition metal hanging out. Got a little jagged edge down there. I have no idea. I highly doubt it. But the panel coming up right through here, sorry for the crazy zoom. And then those panels right there, that's just kind of funky, and the bent metal right there. I'd love to jump over there and look at that thing. Just bringing you a real quick short edition of Worst Roof Ever. I don't see a lot of craftsmanship in that. No edges folded, just hanging down. A little, not bad jagged valley cut, but, and the flashing, the lack of, and pipe boots. There, they did the garage back here. Actually, I better stop. It might be a do-it-yourself. Oh, that's good. They actually maybe tore off. That's a good sign. Okay. I like what I see. Maybe they tore off the old multiple layers and shake. It's probably a do-it-yourselfer. Okay. I retract that statement. I'll own up to it. They maybe need to save. It looks pretty good for a do-it-yourselfer, so I'm sorry. But you could use a little flashing. Hope you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up. Until next time, be safe. We'll see you then. Oh, by the way, I do have a new video coming out. It's already uploaded. I just need to give it a little quick description. Just shot this morning doing a roof inspection. It's warmed up a little bit today. It's about 40 degrees, mid-end of January 2022. Happy New Year. Until next time, be safe. I'll see you then.